I'm the birthday girl. Hi everyone, my name's Amanda. I'm kind of new here. Today is my birthday and I have nothing exciting planned. I can already tell you, I'm just thinking, hey, I could share my birthday gifts with you. The first one you've already seen is from my sister-in-law, my brother's wife, and she sent me a mask that says birthday girl. I love it. I'm such a child. I love those kinds of things. And I'll tell you some of the things that have happened. So my husband is a saint and does not want me have to have a chilled bum, and has gotten me seat warmers in my 20-year-old truck, which you may think is a silly thing to do in a 20-year-old truck, but it's a whole lot more affordable than buying a new car. And the next thing he did, which was not intended as a birthday gift, but it counts, is he got me a new phone. Because he dropped his phone, and how we've always done it is I get the new phone and he gets my hand-me-down, so there's that. He dropped his phone on Thanksgiving. So Black Friday, we did do a little bit of shopping, right? And we got gas. That's about all we did. This here is from his sister, and I am not showing anybody's information. Including my last name, but my first name is still Amanda. And so what I'm going to do is cut this booger open, and we'll see what it is. Yeah, I love opening gifts. It's a shirt. It's not a shirt. It's towels. And they're puppy towels. They look like my Wally. Oh my goodness, they're so cute. If you guys didn't know, we have a black lab. So really, it looks like my Wally. Right, Wally? What do you think? Does it look like you? What do you think? Yeah, okay. Yeah, okay. That's kind of my attitude about most things that he does. And the next thing was my sister-in-law. Has a lot of tape on this. My brother's wife. Really, that's a lot of tape. She was able to... I didn't know you could mail in regular wrapping paper. Huh. So we're going to open this. Where's there a scene? Dear God. I find it hilarious that... Ow. She does this because I've done stuff like this to her kids. There have been in the past, like, I give cash for Christmas, but I do it on dollar bills, and I put them in like balloons that are filled with air, of course, but then that's a lot of tape. Okay. That was a lot of tape. I am so glad I have this instead of ripping it open. She said she wanted video of this, so that is what is the inspiration for this is. Okay, first of all, there's this. Which is a broken mug. Probably not intended, but it's okay. And it says, Hola Bonita. And it was cute, but such is life, right? And it had a candle on the inside. Stuff happens. But the candle's cute. We're probably not going to use this.
Keep the pieces.
So my husband just said, keep the pieces. He'll try and glue it, but I think it's mostly not in there. The next thing is a little hand sanitizer. It's coconut macaroon. A macaroon when you're not trying to sound like you have an accent of some sort. I'm totally Midwestern. But it's Christmas, and I love Christmas. Okay. Next thing. These do not have the same amount of tape. So, while that was fun, they're tea diffuser thingies. And I had just told, oh, that's what you were saying. I had just told my husband, oh, I kind of want to get one of these. And my sister-in-law, I'm sorry, no names. My sister-in-law is one of those that always gets cute stuff like that. It's a kitty cat and a duck-billed platypus. She got us a pancake maker that I think is the Death Star. I love it. Okay. There's a hippo. I don't know this animal. It's adorable. I should know this animal. It's not a meerkat. Is it? I don't really care. It's adorable. And an owl. This is so cute. And this is something I would totally expect from her. It's adorable. Yay. I get to upgrade. I'm going from, grown up from, you know, tea bags. I'm moving up in the world. Oh, more presents. And it's a French press. Because if you don't know me in real life, you may not know that I have a desire for all things coffee. I even have cappuccino peanut butter in this house. We got it from an Amish store. That's awesome. Thank you, favorite sister-in-law, as we've called you for years. But anyway, guys, that is what I got for my gift. And I did get a birthday card, and it's probably silly. Be like Rhonda. Rhonda likes kicking ass and taking names. Just found out Rhonda lives in her van with a family of badgers. Do not be like Rhonda. I repeat, do not be like Rhonda. Be yourself and enjoy Christmas, your birthday. And I'm not. I am amused. And she also gave me a list of things that the CDC has deemed as physically distanced activities, which are hula hooping, I don't know what that word, unicycling, axe throwing, juggling, enter a Fortnite Battle Royale, and make fun of 12-year-olds, actually. I kind of enjoy that. Set out bowl of sugar-free gummy bears. Wait for unsuspecting spouse to eat demon bears. Laugh outside of bathroom. I like poop drinks. And if you see the jiggling of the camera, you can see my husband does too. So, those are some of my birthday gifts. I'm sure that there's more, but that was friggin' hilarious. God. Thank you to both sister-in-laws. The one in Pennsylvania, I am grateful for my kitchen towels that look like Wally because they're so cute. They're going to my kitchen. And to the one in North Carolina. God, how did you come up with the gummy bear thing? Oh, it's so funny. If you guys do not know the gummy bear thing, the sugar-free gummy bear thing, I'll link it below. So, if you like what you see here, I can't stop laughing. So, if you guys like what you see here, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment below, you know, all that jazz. So, dear God, that's hilarious. I love you. I have ideas. Let me say that again. Honey, I love you. Yes, yes, it needs to happen. Bye.